What's going on, guys? Today I literally just wanted to talk to you how you can make money easily using TikTok right after this. Boom. So when starting affiliate marketing, there's a few things that you need to know. And the reason I'm talking about affiliate marketing when it comes to TikTok is because it is by far the easiest way to make money. Like if you just wanted to get views on TikTok and try to make money that way, it's very hard because TikTok barely gives you any money for the views that you get as compared to like YouTube. And so if you want to make money just from ad revenue, then you're going to want to just try to earn that through YouTube. But if you want to make money easily on TikTok, what you want to do is become an affiliate for certain products. And a good way to do this is, there's a bunch of different affiliate networks. One off the top of my head is ClickBank. You can just go to ClickBank. You can sign up really easily. You get access. You go to the affiliate marketplace, and then let's say that your content, your passion is about gardening or woodworking or digital marketing or content creation or designing. There's so many different things that you can find products for, and you literally can go in, sign up, get your affiliate link, and start creating short form content from 5 to 15 seconds every day, just talking about your niche. Okay? And so you literally just press the play record button on TikTok. You just take your phone like this and you just say, hey, did you guys know that gardening is one of the best things that you can do for your family because it provides you with different kinds of foods? That's just an example off the top of my head. And when you do content like that, maybe 3 to 5 times a day, TikTok is awesome because it gives you organic views, right? Some videos that don't do very well, they will get 300 views, but some will get 5, 10, 15,000 views, and it has never been easier in marketing ever to get views with TikTok. And so what happens is once you hit 1,000 followers, and if you haven't gotten to 1,000 followers before, I do have a video up above that can help you to land your first 1,000 followers. And once you get 1,000 followers, you can put a link in your little bio section on TikTok. Okay? So that means when you're making content, you can make content that gives value so people know, like, and trust you. But also you can make content and say, hey, if you want to learn how to garden for yourself, go to my profile and check out right there my link in the bio. And that is where you will have your affiliate link to a course about gardening or a course about golf or whatever your product is about. Okay? So that's really how simple and easy it is. Now, if you want to get better at doing this, you really need to start learning the skill of digital marketing called lead generation. Now, there's a few ways that you can get leads. You can pay for it, which I don't recommend, especially for beginners. And I'm hoping that I'm talking to you as beginners because there's so many people out right now who want to make money online, who want to make an extra income, but yet just don't know how to do it. And I'm telling you right now, it does not have to be so complicated, okay? And right now we're having a Facebook group. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube description here, so you can join our Facebook group. You can start to see some of our trainings, and we're also having the software that can help propel your business forward. And we're going to be providing that for you guys here coming very shortly. So you are going to want to be in this Facebook group. But back to TikTok. So TikTok, the coolest thing about it is that it really does not take much time. You really don't have to be very technically sound for any of these things. And my first TikTok profile, my goal every day was just to get 5 followers. That's just 5.
Wait a minute.
Wow.
So it doesn't have to be anything crazy. And guess what? After 2, 3, or 4 weeks of me focusing on making 3 videos a day, I was able to grow that channel from 0 to 70,000 in just a matter of 3 or 4 months. And guys, I was a complete beginner, okay? This does not take some kind of expert, some kind of crazy person. And guess what? The coolest part is about TikTok as well. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You can literally take your phone and instead of looking at your face like this, all you have to do is point it at your screen and say, hey, did you know that gardening is like this? Hey, this guy's golf swing is like this. You just show him on the screen. So don't overcomplicate things. But here's my biggest thing with TikTok, okay? You just need to start. Okay? I, for the longest time, wanted to have an online business. I wanted to help supplement our income, because with my wife and child, everything's expensive. In 2020, I lost my job. I needed to go all in. And guess what? I tried Facebook right in the beginning. It was freaking hard to get any kind of traction. I tried YouTube right in the beginning. I love YouTube, but guess what? That is so freaking hard to get traction right from the beginning. So guess what? TikTok is the best possible place that you can to get eyeballs on whatever you want to talk about. And guess what? If you help them, if you give them advice, if you're entertaining, if you just simply show people what you learn. And I'll give you an example. One client that we work with, because I also work with a social media agency, he talks about sprouts. His whole business is about how to get broccoli sprouts or sunflower sprouts. Sprouts. So if this person can make money talking about sprouts, promoting things about sprouts, then why can't you promote something that you love in your niche by simply using short form TikTok videos, okay? So now a couple of tips when you're first making your TikTok videos, okay? The first 20 to 30 TikTok videos, it's okay if they suck. It's okay. It's not embarrassing. It's just my first videos suck, and you know what? Just get those out of the way. Don't worry. Just press record, press play, press publish, and learn as you go. It's not instantaneous success. It's not instantaneous money, but I will tell you one thing. Over the course of the next 3 to 6 months when I was doing this and trial and error learning, I was making thousands of dollars. I'm not saying, and this is a disclaimer, that you will make thousands of dollars right away, but what I'm saying is if you try and if you do not give up, that's the only way that you can fail, is by giving up. You will succeed. You will earn online eventually. Okay? There are people in the world right now that would love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, your trainings about stuff that you're passionate about. Okay? I have a good friend. He's into designing. Okay? And I said, dude, set up some Fiverr accounts. Fiverr, if you don't know, is a freelancing platform. Set up some Fiverr gigs and start creating content on TikTok. And now he's getting gigs. Okay? I have a buddy who does race cars. He lives in the UK. His name's Gary. He's one of my best friends. He literally does sim racing in little race cars. He started uploading content, and now he's getting sales for his eBay business. Okay? Now, with those two things, those are services and products that they actually are creating or doing. With affiliate marketing, the best part is you don't have to provide the service or the product. You simply can leverage the other person's product. So like I said, when you go on ClickBank, you can find a product that's already ready to go. They do all the support. They do all the selling. You just simply get your affiliate link. When people click that link in your bio on your TikTok, guess what? You get paid a commission for bringing that person to that company. So I'm not lying to you when I say affiliate marketing is by far the very best way to make money as a beginner. And you can later go on to make your own products like I have. You can make your own services like I have. You can start taking all these digital marketing skills, and you can literally get your own clients and do these things for them. You can make TikTok videos for clients in the future. These are skills that are invaluable because short form right now, short form video is king. That's why YouTube and all these other platforms are trying to copy them. So when you can learn these skills, making money on TikTok is very, very simple. Just believe in the process. Join our Facebook group. I'll give you a link down below to a couple free trainings. Get on board. I promise you will not regret learning these skills. And for me, at least, in my journey the last 3 to 4 years, I've enjoyed it so much. I've met so many awesome people, and I've earned a lot of money that has helped me and my family. Like I said, I lost my job in 2021 or 2020. I now have replaced that income. I work from home. Like, you may even hear my son over there. He makes noises. That's totally fine because I'm here with my family. I'm doing what I love. I'm creating content when I want. I have clients because of what I learned. And more than anything, it helps me be with my family more. So if you're like this, hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully you have seen that TikTok is a great avenue, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing. Make sure that you drop a like if you've gotten something out of this video, and also comment down below what kind of niche would you want to do to make money online. Obviously some niches are better than others, but tell me down below, what kind of things are you interested in? What would you want to build a business around? So comment that down below, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you stick around for more content and affiliate marketing tips in the future. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.